Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show you my new work in progress, which is this mushroom cottage from a Make Market brand that is affiliated with Michaels. This is the original design. That's what is coming out on my canvas. So as you see, I replaced a few colors with white ABs on the background and with crystals on the windows. Actually, this is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 45 by 60 centimeters, which came with resin drills only. But again, I did customize this kit and I will elaborate on it later in my post review and give you very detailed information on the colors that I changed and what modifications I did to this kit. To tell you the truth, I did not diamond paint this kit for almost a week because I was working on a different project. I will show it to you in a moment, but starting today I resume working on it, and hopefully by the end of the next week you will see it completed. And if you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you saw the shorts that I uploaded a few hours ago, showing you those gorgeous magnetic Easter eggs. You know, I'm Orthodox, and Orthodox celebrate Easter like maybe 2 or 3 weeks after Catholic Easter, and Orthodox Easter is going to be on May 5th. So I decided to diamond paint some Easter eggs, and I purchased them on Amazon. The set of 16 cost $16.99, like $17 if we round it up, so it's like $1 each egg. Really very nice. They were very easy to diamond paint and pretty fast, but at the same time my work in progress slowed down when it comes to my main project, also because I spent some time diamond painting this set of eggs with my daughter, like maybe 3 or 4 days for an hour. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon.